MODICIA O.S. is a Linux multimedia distribution designed primarily for musicians, graphic designers, and video makers. It is based on Debian's stable branch, but uses the Cinnamon desktop and a recent Linux kernel. MODICIA O.S. comes with a set of carefully selected open-source multimedia software and tools, such as Audacity, audio editor, Brasero, disk burning utility, Cheese, webcam application, Curlew, multimedia converter, GIMP, graphics editor, Handbrake, video transcoder, Kdenlive, video editor, Media Info, tool that provides technical data about media files, MPV, media player, Peak, animated GIF recorder, raw therapy, photo processor, XNView, image viewer, and many others. The distribution also integrates the OnlyOffice software suite for general office tasks.